Okay, good day, madam. I believe you can see my screen from here. So this is just going to be a quick rundown of how you are going to install the application. So this is what I sent. It has the software, it has the extract one, it has the extract two. Let's assume this is the software here. You've installed it already. So come outside, come to this extract one, open it down like this. This is what you see in this extract one. So go back to your desktop page, go back to your desktop page like this. Locate where the software is. You can see that on my desktop here, it is not showing here. Like there's nothing like the software here. So come here. This is my own here. It's I have to go and look for it under my start and all of that. So just look for where you can see the icon of the software. This is my own here. Select, right click on it, click on open file location. It will take you to this place like this. This is not where we are coming to. Still select on this place again, right click on it, click on open file location. It has to take you to where that file is. So this is where we are coming to. So if you pay attention to this place, if you notice that what is here is the same thing as what is on this extract one. The only difference is that this extract one does not have this first folder here. You understand? So you come to this extract one that you've already downloaded, that you already have, copy everything that is in this place, copy everything here on that extract one. Come to that file folder that you've seen on your system, copy everything like this, copy everything to like this, then replace it. Like you take away this one, replace it with what is in this extract one. Bam. After you've done that, close this extract one or go back, open extract two again. You have a whole lot of folders here. Go again to that file folder, that same place. Now, if you notice that we only copied only this place, this is the content of extract one here. We didn't touch this folder here. So now deselect this place, tap on this folder like this, copy everything that is in this folder. Then what is in extract 2 here is what you will copy. You copy everything that is here. Just do Control A, it copies everything. Then copy everything, then replace it with what you have there. Once in this folder now, you do Control A also to highlight it. Then do Control V to replace it with what is here. Once you have done that, close the software, close all the folders that you have opened, then restart your PC. Then one thing you should also do too is that check your system security. Come to your settings like this, locate security, Windows security, privacy and security. Select it like this. Come under Windows security, double tap on it. Make sure that this virus and threat protection is turned off. Make sure that it is turned off. Off everything. You can see. Turn everything off. Off it, and make sure that everything here is off. Come under manage settings. This one works automatically by itself, but when you are installing it, turn off all displays, switch off all displays. After you are done, it will automatically on by itself. So once you've done all these security checks and everything is off, then you are good to go. You are good to go. Like your software should be up and running, and you should be ready to work without you not doing any other thing. So that is all for today.